tu t'aides ça. Oh Dja Dja, je suis pas ta gâteau Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On garde sur la baby, tu t'aides ça.
I'm going to teach you my dance to Dja Dja by Aya Nakamura, and I really enjoy doing this dance. So I'm going to teach it to you guys. On TikTok, a lot of you love the dance. I'm looking forward to see how you're doing it. So make sure you add me, tag me, and I will check your video out and maybe repost it on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so I post videos every week and you don't want to miss out, right? For the first move, we're going to do this movement. Our chest goes out and our arms go back. Yeah, and they go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And see how my hands move with my chest? Yeah, this is what you want to get. Yeah, so my hands are pretty much on the height of my chest because there's going to be like open, open. Yeah, and it's kind of diagonal, diagonal, horizontal, diagonal. So on one line, and then it's open. Yeah, your shoulders also have this movement to it. Yeah, boom, shock, boom, shock, and boom, shock, and boom. Most important is my feet also. I go on my toes. Boom. Yeah, you can do this on the flat foot, but see the difference between this? This is going to give you that bounce. See how the whole movement. So remember when I said we do this? With your leg, you can match this move. This is how you're going to get that bounce, 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 bounce. Whoom. And see how my shoulders are not up, so it's not like this. You can, if you want to have that whole, that vibe, but you really need to control it, yeah? So we're going to have your right leg go to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna go like this. Yeah, like something's big, you grab it. And then we're gonna bounce. Yeah, so make sure this is on the toes. And your hands are like this, yeah? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also, look how low I am, yeah? I don't stay here, I stay pretty much here, this height. Yeah, if you want to go lower, that's fine. And also, my legs, my knees go out. Yeah, out, out. Yeah, but you're gonna feel this if you do this a lot. It's on your toes, remember that. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So from your position here, 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 you bring it back. And then you go like this. So you make sure this is on that 1, 2, 3, 4. And also this. See how my chest goes out? Hands go back here. And this matches also again with the legs. Yeah, so you want to have this and this work together. Bounce, 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 bounce until you get into this, this. Yeah, so this move, I do this with my legs wide. You can do this on your toes, but I don't do that. I do this on my heels. Yeah, because I just like this move. Yeah, so we have bounce, 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 and then my hand goes under. Yeah, but my legs go in here. Yeah, so I go in and my feet pretty much go open. Yeah, so if you want to go like this, that's fine. I just go with my heels first, here, here. Yeah, here, here. If you want to jump it open, that's fine. But I make this together with it. But just focus on going down. Yeah, and my hand is here. Yeah, so when I have bounce, 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 and here. Yeah, in, here, ba, ba, ba. So my knees go like this. Ha, and my hips down. Hoo, ha. And my shoulders go like this. Hoo, hoo, ba, ha, and ha. So it's easier for me to do this on the heels This on the toes is still the same pretty much, but I like this vibe, yeah? So you go down, 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 and roll, yeah? So make sure you lean a bit to the front, because if you lean back, you're gonna fall, yeah? So we have bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, ha, 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 and roll. So you have bounce, 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 and roll, yeah? Bounce, 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 and roll. So you let your head roll a circle around, yeah? So you have bounce, 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 and ha. So this makes that doom, ka, ka, da, shoo, ba. And then we're gonna go to the left, yeah? So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Oh, ja, ja. Boom, dee 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 dee, ja, ja, shh, boom, boom. Da, dee dee, da, and ha. Yeah, so if you have first bounce, second bounce, here, and roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and roll. Then you're gonna go to the left. Yeah? So you're here. See how I'm going from bend position? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. My arms are gonna go with it. Yeah? Ha. So you have left, right, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Left, right, and roll around. Da, da, and ha, ha, ha. And we're going to get into this kick. Yeah? We have left, right, ka, ka, ka. So I step enough so that almost this leg, I can lift it, yeah? So you have left, right, ah, ah, ah. And your arm, you lean to the sides. Lean, right, left, right, left. And see how I did that? So you have left, under, pa, pa, pa. So you step so you can kick. Originally, this is like a real big jump, but you don't have to do it. Yeah, you don't have to make it high. So you just kick, ha. Yeah, you get into that position to get into this pa, pa, yeah? Into this kick, yeah? So we have boom, pa, ha, 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 kick, ah, ah, ah. Yeah? So this is what I do with my hips. Let me lift this. So I go up, down, yeah? Down, ah, da. So I lift it up first so I can go down, yeah? I'm in a bend position and I just use this part, yeah? Some people can really do this. You can do that if you want to, but I just focus on this, yeah? Ha, ha, yeah? Ba. You can also, ha, use your leg with it if you want to, but focus on the hips, yeah? So you have boom, ba, ha, 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 kick, ah, ah, ah. Yeah? And just isolate this. I have an exercise for the hips. Make sure you check it out so you can really control this part. Yeah? If you want to use your chest, that's fine. Yeah? But originally I go, ah, ha. Yeah? Pap, pa. Tak, da. Just pelvis. See? The hips. Okay. So, we've had boom, pa, ha, 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 kick, ah, ah, ah. Then we're gonna go around. Yeah? So we're gonna go and ha, 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 da, tick, da, pa, ah, ah. So you jump pretty much on ha, ha, left, left, right, and then you get into this part, yeah? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And you can do whatever you want with the arms. You can go from ha, ba, ah, ha, 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 ha. Yeah, whatever you want to do, yeah? As long as you roll the body, roll it, yeah? And ha, ha, ha. So there's two rolls. You have 1, 2, here, and over. Yeah? Pa, boom. Pa, boom. And pull here. Yeah? Pull here, and then we're going to get into this ahi. Move. Yeah? I also have a tutorial for this, so you can take your time and learn how to do this. Yeah, make sure you check it out. So we have pa, ha, woo, slow, slow, and then we go fast, 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 fast. And that's it. Yeah? So let's do it from here. So we have boom, pa, 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 step, jump, ka, ka, and ha, ha, ha. Pa, ha, woo. Slow, slow, and fast, 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 fast. So when I go from here, when I have this ta, ta, ah, ha. So you have pam, pam, ah, ha, ah, ah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pam, pam, ah, 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 ah. So get ready for that ta, ta. Jump on it, ah, ah. Pa, pa, ah, 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 ha. Yeah, so that's a bit of a time. Ta-da, ta-da, ha, ha, boom. Ta, slow, from fast. Yeah? Make sense? So let's do it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Ohh Dja Dja, rin chiki da chiki ja ja ka, and boom. La chiki da and roll. Boom chiki da chiki ra ra go. Boom. Ohh Dja Dja, and da di di da chiki ah ah boom. Boom. Slow ra ra and ri chiki da chiki da chiki da. Yeah? So let's do it with the music. Go slow, and then you speed it up.
Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. Ohh Dja Dja, tu vas t'accorder Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen Dja Dja, ouais. On cote sur la baby, tu détends. sur la baby, tu dettes ça. Oh Dja Dja, j'suis pas ta cata, Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen, Dja Dja, ouais. On garde sur la baby, tu dettes ça, d'après toi. Oh Dja Dja, j'suis pas ta cata, Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen, Dja Dja, ouais. On garde sur la baby, tu dettes ça. Oh Dja Dja, j'suis pas ta cata, Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen, Dja Dja, ouais. On garde sur la baby, tu dettes ça, d'après toi. Oh Dja Dja, j'suis pas ta cata, Dja Dja, non. Y'a pas moyen, Dja Dja, ouais. On garde sur la baby, tu dettes ça.